Let's get started here by going through everything that we need to do this installation. First, we're going to need our Bimini top, of course. And you'll need a bracket kit. This kit here contains 2 brackets and 4 D-rings to install in your tubes, which we sell at our website. Let's get the Bimini top pulled out of its box, laid out, and get ready to assemble. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when it comes to assembling the Bimini top, so this way you're not missing any steps and you're not missing any straps or pieces, and you don't have to go back once it's already installed. Lay everything out, make sure you have all the hardware included, so this way you're not missing any pieces when it comes to the installation of the Bimini top. Once you've got one half of the Bimini top frame assembled, slide it through the cover and then start assembling the other side. Make sure the strap holder holes for when you screw in the straps to are installed in the right direction, so this way you're not having to disassemble the Bimini top later on. Let's lay the Bimini top now on the boat and figure out where we're going to install the mounting brackets. As you can see, I'm just getting ready to mark off right where the mounting bracket is going to go. But you'll see later on in the video that the mounting brackets would have had to be moved further back, so this way the Bimini top can actually cover where the people are going to sit. Wipe down the areas with acetone or MEK, so this way your masking tape will stick when it comes to doing the bracket installation. Mask off the area where you're going to be putting the mounting bracket and get ready to prep the surfaces. Let's wipe down our mounting pads that we're going to use to install the Bimini top and get them all prepped for the glue process as well. Using a 120 grit sandpaper on an orbital or a regular sander, prep the surfaces and sand them down and get it ready for the glue application. Prep the mounting pad brackets and get them ready as well. We're going to wipe down the surfaces again with the acetone and MEK to make sure they're all cleaned so the glue has no problem sticking. And we'll do the same process with the mounting brackets and pads. Be sure to use alignment marks, so this way when it comes to installing the mounting brackets, they're not installed upside down. Mix the glue and follow the manufacturer's directions when it comes to the glue application. And I'm going to give the surfaces one more wipe down with the MEK or acetone before we start the glue process. When it comes to the glue application, be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions when it comes to each layer and the waiting time, and also the temperature and humidity that you got to follow. After the glue has been applied and the waiting processes have been done in between each layer, use a burnishing tool or a hard edge scraper that's got a blunt edge and firmly press your brackets into place. Remove the tape and wipe away any excess glue. Install your Bimini top on your newly freshly installed brackets, so this way we can align up our D-rings now. You want the D-rings mounted about 1 inch or 2 from the Bimini top, so this way you've got lots of adjustments for your straps. And we're just going to repeat the process for the cleaning and wiping down and sanding for the D-rings. Remember to follow the manufacturer's directions when it comes to the glue application. Once again, install your D-rings and use a burnishing tool or a blunt edge scraper and firmly press on the D-ring patch so this way it firmly bonds to the surface. Remove your tape and wipe away all the excess glue using the MEK or acetone. Wait 24 to 48 hours before installing the Bimini top straps, so this way everything can cure and set in place. These mounting brackets are sold in our store, and each base is color coded so you can get to either white, gray, red, black, or even yellow to match the color of your boat. Alright, so now I'm going to install the Bimini top straps, which I should have done at the beginning, but it's better late than never. Setting up your Bimini top, you're just going to pull the 2 forward straps, hook them onto the bow D-rings, and adjust as needed. And you just reverse the process for when you want to put your Bimini top away. And that there, folks, is how you install a Bimini top on your inflatable boat or a rib boat. We sell all this hardware on our website, so be sure to check it out. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.